This dog saved his owner's life. In the winter of 2013, Eli and his wife Sarah lived on a remote maple syrup farm in Vermont. They had taken their Siberian husky, Kodiak, on a routine patrol of their property when a blizzard hit. The ice-coated trees provided little visibility as they made their way home. But after a while, Eli's snowmobile stalled. And when he tried to get up, he realized that he had broken his ankle. He crawled into a hollow log and called for help, but his phone was dead. Soon, hypothermia started to set in, and when Sarah realized that they weren't coming back, he told Kodiak to go home. For 8 brutal miles, the dog fought through chest-deep snowdrifts, braving ice-jammed creeks and bleeding paws to get back to the house. When he finally reached it, he screamed at the top of his lungs, an unbroken howl that alerted Sarah to come outside. She noticed that Eli's face was blue and that his lips were frozen. Rescuers later found him unconscious and brought him to a hospital. Meanwhile, Kodiak's paws required 17 stitches. He had lost 2 toenails. When Eli woke up days later, the first thing he saw was Kodiak's wet nose against his palm. The dog had saved his life, and in doing so, he had become part of the pack.